So I'm here in the balcony of my hotel, and the elephants are coming. Yeah, you'll see a huge herd of elephants going through this lane, right from the balcony of the hotel. So from Delhi, I took a flight to this beautiful country of Sri Lanka. I started from Colombo, then went to Ella, then Idalgasina, then I went to Kandy, then Sigiriya, Polonnaruwa, and then finally to Trincomalee and Arugambai. My next destination was Pinnawala, which was halfway between Kandy and Colombo. It was a long way, so day 15 was spent entirely in the bus. But if you got a good company, even a bus ride can be joyful.
It's the best.
So the elephants are going to come here for having their bath, and my hotel is just around the corner, and if I have to come here I don't have to buy any tickets, but if I have to go into the orphanage I have to buy a ticket, and which is 2500 Lankan rupees. Maybe for Indians it's just 700, but why not watch it for free. These elephants come in 2 batches twice a day. So there are 4 times when you can see these elephants marching from the orphanage to the riverfront. But I will suggest you to come at 8:30 in the morning for the first batch. There's hardly any tourists at that time. But if you will come at 10:30 or later in the day, you will see this. I hope you like the vlog series from Sri Lanka. If you haven't still watched the previous vlogs, click here for the playlist. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my Instagram and Facebook pages. The links are in the description. I will see you in the next video.